So what's in it for you and the Unity Group? So if you do this agglomeration or roll up and you take 5, 10, 15 companies public in a vehicle, let's say, for example, I think you mentioned sports gaming or something like that. So this thing goes public. Where do you make your money?
Yeah, I'd love to say I'm a registered charity and I do all this for love and it's God's work, but no, I'm a mercenary. So unfortunately, no, unfortunately, we do. Yeah, we do charge for it, I mean, we never charge fees. We always take public equity, so we sit alongside the business owner in every
Okay.
transaction that we do, and typically we are a shareholder in the vehicle already that these companies are going into, and we'll typically take shares in the company that we're bringing in as well. Typically because they do need some work to get them ready to be a public company, so they need to be brought up to code, if you like, in terms of their reporting standards and all the rest of it. So we capitalize that and take an equity stake on the way through, and typically that doesn't diminish the amount that the business owner is going to receive in stock for their company. It's kind of added on top for the value that we've created. So yeah, so we end up being a major shareholder in all of these public companies.